Many of you are considering creating your first website or redesigning an existing one. In any case, we can assist you in creating an attractive website with rich functionality that converts visitors into paying customers. Such as dynamic SEO-ready website, responsive web design, custom website design, WordPress website design, e-commerce website design, support and maintenance. Any site design determines its look and feels, whereas web development defines its functions. Our talented web designers are responsible for designing the layout, usability, and visual appearance of a website, while our developers maintain the core creation of the website. We believe in providing our clients with websites that incorporate the most up-to-date technology. If you want a high-quality website with excellent UI and UX, contact us. We will be pleased to help you with our best efforts.